Hello, here is my e-learning module on Kagan Cooperative Learning Structures. So we're going to start the course. This course will have three parts. It is about what is cooperative learning, why you should use these Kagan structures, and the three examples of Kagan structures. There is audio with these slides, however, the screen recording software will not pick up the narration of the slides. So by the end of this course, students should be able to define what cooperative learning is, explain the benefits of Kagan structures, and apply Kagan structures to their classroom. So be able to use them in some function in their classroom. So next in the course is watching this video. I'm going to skip it for the sake of this video. After watching the video, the students interact with the four different key components of cooperative learning. They can click on the chevron buttons to have more information pop up and read more about how to use it in the classrooms, how to apply these concepts in the classrooms. This part of the this part of the course is about the benefits of Kagan structures and why you should use them. So these are 6 main benefits that we are focusing on: increased student engagement, decreased behavior problems, social skills practice, language development, movement around the room, and supportive learning environment. And this question at the bottom is for teachers to think about how this would help their learners be more successful. So each of these buttons takes the learner to a video on the Kagan structure, and then they can exit and see examples of what it looks like when these are put into action. Next, we have our first assessment. This is a scenario where students read the problem and pick which structure would be best. So they pick it and submit. And then we have the survey questions at the end. Students have to type in the text to move on. There are 3 survey questions. So the first one was about how exciting it could be. This one is about the potential challenges that a teacher might foresee. And then our last survey question is about how they could apply Kagan structures in their learning environment, how it would work in their classroom. Once they have answered that question, then the training is done.